Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a circle outline animation in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do is to find our ellipse tool in our toolbar right here. So I have my toolbar and I have my ellipse tool right here. But if you can find your ellipse tool, you probably need to hold your Alt key and click on the polygon or rectangle tool depending on what you have, and you can find it here in your toolbar. And once you have the ellipse tool, then you need to draw a circle right here, just like so in your video. And then from here, you can go into effect controls and go here, expand the shape right here. Click on this button, and then from here uncheck the fill and check the stroke, and then now all that's left is the stroke right here, and then you can change the color and the thickness of your stroke right here. In my case, I'll just go for 15. And then the next one is if you want to reposition your shape or how your shape would be or how large it would be, then you can just go and do it right here, and you can just edit it if you click on the shape right here in the effects control, and then you can reposition it just like this one right here. And then the next one is we're gonna go and animate this. Since we are now satisfied with our circle, we have edited it the right way. So next is go into effects panel and go search for clock, and then you would have the clock wipe effect under video transitions, and then you want to go and drag it into your circle right here. So let me just drag it. And now I have my clock wipe right here, so when I play it, it would look like this. And then as you can see, it's like that. And as you can see, it's a little bit weird. So if you want to fix that, then all you have to do is go here and to your effect controls of your shape. And you want to make sure that it is in the center right here. It's not necessarily perfectly in the center, but if it's close to the center, then it would be solved right here. So now when I play it back, and now it's, as you can see, it's not quite weird anymore. And if you want the transition to be faster, then you can just reduce the transition right here, or just like that. And then as you can see, it's now much faster. So all that's left is to just position your circle into your subject just like so, or you could track it. If you want to track it, then I have a video on how you can do that right here in Premiere Pro. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.